Hello everybody, this is Videolancer. Recently we have updated our package of seamless transitions for After Effects up to version 7. In this short video review, I will show you what's new we have added. I should note that now seamless transitions work only in Motion Bro version 3. You can learn more about the new version of Motion Bro in this video review. So let's start. In the new version, I have changed the project structure and moved category shape and 3D box into separate packages. Besides, I replaced all icon buttons with thumbnails, so it will be much more comfortable to choose an appropriate preset. I have completed the 7th version of the package with the new category of transitions, 3D surface. Now there are more than 300 similar transitions that you can use in any video projects. As all of my other products for Motion Bro, these transitions work at any aspect ratio of the screen. The transitions from 3D surface category can be used not only for your photo and video, but also for titles animation with using custom background. To do this, make Pre-Compose for all layers with transitions. Open Transition Comp and switch off display of surface and background on the settings layer. To add the same settings for other transitions, just select them on the timeline and apply Link with Master Scene option. Select a preset here that will be used as a master scene. Now settings of all transitions are linked with this master scene. That is all. Subscribe to my channel not to miss the next updates and my new products for motion design. Well, that was Videolancer. See you!